a new model of information behavior based on semantic modeling. My name is Paulo Hideo Otoshi. My advisor is Professor Claudio Gochelski-Duque. I'm a PhD student at the University of Brasilia. What is my research about? The idea is to propose a model of information behavior based on semantic modeling. It uses concepts and ideas of artificial intelligence, ontologies, and semantic networks. Also uses classes, subclasses, hierarchy, and inheritance. It can be extended, tailored, shared, and reused. May be used to study professionals and ordinary people. How did I go about it? I had to use a series of models and theories to conduct a study with information security professionals. Many models use flowcharts or block diagrams and describe it as a process. Some are textually described. Semantic models such as ontologies and semantic networks may be used to represent any domain of knowledge, no matter if it's a process or not. They can be logically and empirically tested. Theories and models. A classic sequence to develop a theory. You start describing the phenomenon. When you predict its behavior, you have a model. If you explain its behavior, you have a theory. Methodology for construction. When some IB models were proposed, some methodology for constructing models were being developed. To obtain a sophisticated ontology, we need a methodology for ontology construction. Semantic networks are used in knowledge representation. They mimic the cognitive structure of the brain. Billy is a Labrador, a kind of dog, has 4 legs. We can infer that Billy has 4 legs. Based on the class and subclass relationship, a single model may be used to study both classes. In concept maps, concepts are connected by arcs and the linking words to form a proposition. In computational ontologies, they are called the RDF triple. Semantic networks and ontologies may be logically verified to validate the model. Here's the top layer of the model. In order to avoid excess of information in one single diagram, it will be presented in layers. The top layer gives you a holistic view of the model and shows the key concepts. In this presentation, on the top level will be described. Information user has profile, defined by characteristics of user, demographic characteristics, types of personality are part of characteristics of users. Myers-Briggs created a personality type indicator. 16 types of personality are a combination of 4 dichotomies: extroversion versus introversion, sensing versus intuition, thinking versus feeling, judging versus perceiving. Information user plays roles as an engineer, amateur athlete, consumer, tourist. Roles involve tasks: plan a research, buy books, clothes, flight tickets, make hotel reservation. Tasks generates information need, has levels defined by Taylor's levels. Taylor defined the 4 levels of information need: visceral, conscious, formalized, adapted. Information need may start information seeking, uses seeking strategy, uses ASIS seeking model. Alice proposed a model which is composed by 80 activities described textually. Seeks information in information sources, has information, has attributes of quality, allows of information use, has forms of use, intervening factors, affects information need, seeking and use. Information selection may be determined by preferences, which is determined by types of personality. We may infer that information selection may be determined by types of personality. Benefits. We may replace and use more specific components. Level of details. We may focus on one concept and show its details in another level. Levels of specialization. The more levels we define, the more specialized it becomes. Thank you.